Today we're in Silverthorne, Colorado, doing a bit of fly fishing. We're only a couple casts in, but we're gonna catch some monsters today, okay? Everybody just hold in. It's gonna be a good vlog. Hope you're excited for this. Here we go.
This is the craftsmanship that goes behind every bobber.
You just wrap it around the end and it stays.
And just like that, she's a golden goose. Guys, we are getting a master class from the man himself. Oh, he just goes back and throws it. And it's that easy. This is the view we have right now, which is crazy. Like, there's literally the interstate or whatever, and then it's just, we're right by outlets, and it's like, it's not remote whatsoever, but it is just so dang beautiful right now. It is crazy. And I'm currently fishing left-handed while I'm vlogging with my right hand, and I'm doing a really bad job. There we go. Let that sucker roll. Never been to Silverthorne before. This is my first time, and I don't fly fish either, so like, for me to do this is pretty dang cool, like just to expand my fishing abilities, you know what I mean? So as you can tell, I'm doing really good. Greg has a small fish on the day. I have seaweed, but let me tell you, that's gonna change here real soon, okay? We were gonna get some burritos, but they were 16 bucks. And so we went and got some Wendy's. And now we're about to head off to location number 2. So here we go. Oh. I've literally had nightmares of this exact situation, except for I fall off the cliff. Some rams. That's crazy. So this is location number 2. As you can tell, it's even better than the last place, which is crazy. The only thing we gotta make sure now is we don't take one wrong step. You push me down. Here they are. One of my first casts out here, I cast along that rock right there, and right in here, a fish jumped 2 times. 2 times right in front of me. It was dumb. And I didn't get it. That was crazy. So there are fish here. Good sign. I just need to master my fly fishing skills. I feel like I'm getting better though, so that part's good. I do think that there might be a slight leak. I feel water in my boots, and these are supposed to be, you know, obviously like sealed. But there's definitely water up in there, so I don't know where there's a hole, but I've been compromised. So all right, here we go. We're gonna start making my way down the river, walking past Greg doing his own casting. Let me tell you though, just look how freaking massive these rocks are. That's insane. don't even know if the drone shot does it justice, to be honest. If you look close enough, you'll be able to see them kind of bubble up. Some of it is like, look at that. I think that's just where a rock is, but right around there was where a dang fish was popping. Right out there, just jumped. Dude, they're here. They're here. I just need a bite. I just need a bite. Dude, see that? I just go. Okay, Greg's been casting like the perfect distance out there, and they keep popping up like right here. We just watch. Oh, I just dropped. There it is. Are you okay? Oh, dude, we're good. Wow-wee. Ooh, that scared me. I'm okay, I'm okay. All right, everybody, I just had one within 5 feet. I had him, I reeled him out from all the way back there to here. Greg was set up with the net, and then last minute, he failed. So, this time I'll try to get it on camera. Go! It was crazy. It didn't look super big, but it was something, so. Here we go, here we go. They're in here. Now it's just a matter of getting them. Greg got 2 on the day, which is solid. I had, see, now it looks like I'm lying because I had no video evidence, but Greg's my witness. I had a guy, ow, I had something. I just couldn't get it in. So, unfortunately, yeah, but that just means I'll have to come back next time with vengeance and pulling the biggest sucker there is here. Well, not the sucker fish, but pulling the biggest fish they got here. So that's all that means. So we will be back for sure to take in all the views, all the sights, and of course some monster fish because they're here. We saw them. I almost had a decent one. But anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next adventure. Thank you as always for watching, and I'm sorry I didn't catch anything. God.